High-end sound na plug and play? Yes! Meet the Cambridge Audio LRS, a compact powered stereo speaker system with a built-in amplification. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng separate amps or complicated setup. Compact, while still giving you proper left and right stereo sound and flexible connectivity. So, gaano nga ba ka-capable ang ganito kaliit na speaker? Watch this! Let's get into it! The Cambridge Audio LRS gives you a clean plug-and-play stereo setup with built-in 2x50 watts Class D amplification. You get a 21mm tweeter, 3-inch mid-bass driver, DynamEQ, Bluetooth, RCA, Optical, USB-C, and even a subwoofer output. Compact enough for a desk, bedroom, or TV setup, but still built for proper stereo sound without needing a separate amplifier. The LRS has built-in 2x50 watts Class D amplification, meaning hindi mo na kailangang bumili ng separate integrated amplifiers just to get the system running. And because these are the proper left and right speakers, you are still getting a real stereo setup instead of relying on a single wireless speaker. Each speaker uses a 21mm aluminum dome tweeter together with a 3-inch mid-bass driver. The tweeter handles the high frequencies while the mid-bass driver takes care of vocals, instrument, and lower frequencies. So yes, compact siya pero hindi ibig sabihin na pang background music lang. For everyday listening, you also get Bluetooth 5.1 with aptX HD support. So pwede kang mag-connect directly from a compatible phone, tablet, or another Bluetooth source without adding another component. Pero hindi lang wireless ang option mo. You also get RCA Analogue Input, Optical digital input, and USB-C. So you can use the LRS within different kinds of sources. That flexibility makes the LRS easy to fit into different rooms. And probably the biggest strength of the LRS is the size. Each cabinet ay may laki ng 13 cm wide and 23 cm tall. So madali lang ilagay kahit saan. Sa desk, bookshelf, or small listening space. Gusto niyo rin ba ma-experience to? Come hear the Cambridge Audio LRS here at Hi-Fi by Nicely Done. Good sound, great time, high five.